At 1 a.m, the state goes into a hard lockdown. No one will be allowed to drive into Queensland from New South Wales. Any Queenslander flying in from New South Wales, Victoria or the ACT will be sent to hotel quarantine and charged $2,800 for the 14-day isolation.
The new rules exclude millions of Australians from New South Wales, the ACT and Victoria, but there are exemptions for those hauling freight and border communities.
Good morning, guys. I'm going to take you guys through a little bit of a house tour. What's really cool about our front door is that it actually has a code, so we don't have any keys to open the door. It's just a code, which is really helpful because then we don't have to remember to take keys out. So this is the front entrance. Down this way is the main bathroom. So this is a shared bathroom that we have with our housemates. And the hallway. So this door is a garage. This is our room. This is our housemate's room, and the back door. Our little backyard space has a nice little table, and we also have a fire pit which we've used a couple times, which has been awesome. Coming back inside, we have this little like snowboard seating area. What I really like about this house is that it's really themed like a ski season or like a snow season. So we have these prints on the wall too, which are really cool. In here as well is actually a dry room. So we don't have a dryer. We just keep our clothes in this room, and there's like heating, and that's how we dry our clothes. So the dry room is just there by the entrance, and then we have upstairs into the kitchen. Something really interesting too is that we have an upstairs bathroom right next to the staircase. And we have a big shared pantry, walk-in pantry. Beautiful kitchen space. This is our living space, so we have a dinner table. Amazing view from this house too. To the lounge room. And then we have this gorgeous veranda space outside. And this is our view from the house. Absolutely amazing. And you can see down into our backyard. That view is just beautiful. Like, it's a really beautiful house. I'm just walking to the gym now. I'm in town. I want to film either a real-time ab workout or some ab workout ideas videos. So I don't know, we'll see. From walking home from the gym, and I did manage to film an ab workout, so I'm going to edit that and put that up too. If it's already uploaded, I will have it down in the description bar. Now I am just eating some leftover stir fry. So in this one we use some already cut beef strips from the supermarket, and we make coconut rice with just like broccoli, carrot, onion, garlic, bok choy, and yeah, whatever veggies we have laying around. So just going to be eating these leftovers for lunch. Today I am visiting up at the parent Perisher Mountain. But I would come up and check out the snow because I haven't been able to come up this much this season, and we have had a lot of rain recently, so thought I'd come up for a snow day and show you guys. So one thing about the resort at the moment, because of the coronavirus, we have to keep our face completely covered while we're on the mountain, although I'm not complaining too much because it's about -1 degrees today. The snow here is not really like fluffy and snowy like it normally would be. We actually just had like 3 days worth of rain come through, so it's kind of been a bit slushy. We haven't had fresh snow up on Perisher Mountain either, so at the moment it's kind of like hard packed snow. So I'm just going to show you. So to like pick up the snow is quite hard, and it's almost like just hard packed ice at the moment. Do you know what it's for?
Huh?
Do you know what it's for?
Dedicated to Irish men and women who worked on the construction of the Snowy Mountain Ski.
Oh, that's nice. So there was a lady at work the other day, and she was telling me that 97, something like that, there was a huge landslide in Thredbo, and the landslide ended up going through 2 lodges, and then it like collapsed the second lodge, and there was like 20 staff members living in that lodge, and then a husband and a wife was still alive, and then she ended up dying because she was like crushed and it was too cold, and he survived, and now he's like the CEO up at Thredbo. I didn't know that story until yesterday.
All of New South Wales and the ACT will be declared a hotspot. This is a hard closure. The road border between Queensland and New South Wales will be closed to all but a very limited number of exceptions, freight, and those who live in border communities. This will come into effect at 1 a.m. Saturday. So if you're a Queenslander in New South Wales, please come home.
Guys, today we are heading back to Queensland after the announcement that the borders are going to close in Australia between Queensland and New South Wales. We are just currently packing. Jean-Luc has gone up to Perisher Resort to get his uniform returned and sign some leaving forms. So yeah, I'm just packing, getting our stuff organised, ready to leave. We do have a few things to do today. We need to go print our border pass so that we can go back into Queensland. Yeah, it's been very last minute and it's very crazy to try and really quickly plan everything. So basically we're just packing and leaving. Haven't really thought through a plan, just gonna do it as we go. We're like halfway through packing right now. It's kind of the room situation. Still going. I've got piles of stuff everywhere. This is all our food. I'm trying to pack it into a box. We have all this to clear out. All done and beautiful.